Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the AngFan hair clipper, and we'll basically be looking on the various parts in there and what it comprises of. So this clipper basically, well, clippers, it is comprised of two. A bigger one that does the regular shave close enough to skin, and then the smaller one that does a little bit closer to the skin. We have the charging cable for both. Both are type C, so you can do them interchangeably, shouldn't matter. I also have the shear heads for the smaller, and we have it for the larger one. We also have the oil, so we can lubricate them. Alright, so let's just go on and start taking out each one of the shear and see what's up with their design. Yeah, so we just go and take out all the shears and see their designs and how they work. So first, let's take out the big one, big guy. Alright, so still in the plastic, and it's all metal. That's good. I'm going to just take it out of plastic so you can see it better. And it's interesting because they actually applied lubrication oil on the shear, so that should work out well. So I don't have to actually put oil on it. It becomes pre-oiled. Alright, so just looking at it, there's also a little safety pin that is here. I'm gonna remove it. Alright, so once removed, wow, it feels really nice. This is very sturdy. Can bring it up. Now it's gonna bring it very close. I wonder how low it can actually cut. I'm gonna be interested to try that out. I might just do a video on the cut. You can see the power left in it. That's good. So let's just try the next one. Interesting enough, I don't see any oil, so I'm guessing this one may not have been pre-oiled or pre-lubricated. Has a little plastic around it. Let me just remove this little plastic tape. Okay, so removed. Ooh. Okay. I'm tempted to test this out now, but I'll just do it after. But it feels really lightweight, but you know it's sturdy because it's completely metal. It feels very premium. Unlike the bigger clipper, it doesn't have an indicator, well, a digital screen indicator to show the percentage, but it does seem to have a LED light indicator that tells you whether or not it is fully charged. And I figure it probably will go to orange if it is low on charge, and probably red if it's very low on charge. So let's see after usage. But so far, looking at the presentation, the feel of the shear, yeah, they feel very good. I recommend you guys giving it a buy. Definitely worth the money spent, and after using it for a bit, I know that it will fully be in a way that, yeah, so after using it, I'm sure that I'll be fully satisfied. Well, that brings the end to the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.